I've been a friend and client of Michael's for many, many years now. I came to him probably with my hair loss problems, 7 or 8 years ago, I think. One day I was at the salon and Michael came up to me and said, "I have a new hair system for you from Bologna." And I was skeptical. I, quite frankly, could not believe it. It sounded a little too good to be true. I was still, I'll admit, a little scared, a little skeptical. What is this hair? What am I getting into? I didn't really know what was going to happen. And 2 of the people from Bologna had the systems. I was blown away. I could not believe that they were wearing the system. And I left the salon that day so excited, I could not wait for my new hair. So the day came. I was a little nervous and they pulled out my hair and you know, it was just sort of this beautiful mass of hair on this very, very fine, nothing like you would ever see in a wig. It didn't have the bulk, it was just this fine, almost like a second skin. So they put my hair on and I flipped my head back and everybody just kind of gasped. And it was sort of this weird sensation of, I have something on my head, and then it went away. And she started styling it, and it was like, I have to say, it was like the end of a 26-year battle for me. And I got teary, and I got emotional, and some of the girls there even wanted to cry for me. It was a really exciting day. And I went home that day, and I walked in the door, and I reached up to take my hair off, and I just looked in the mirror and went, I don't have to take my hair off. It's changed my life socially, it's changed my life for my work. It's people say it's only hair, but when you have not had a lot of hair for a long time, it's huge for you. It's huge and life-changing. I'm the first woman in North America to have the Cesare Ragazzi hair. If a woman came to me with hair problems, and they have and they do, and asked me, what would you recommend? I would have to tell them that this hair is the only way to go. This hair gives you the complete confidence, and it gives you that confidence and lifestyle 24/7. It's part of you. I shower in this hair, I swim in this hair. I can go to the cottage now. I was turning down invitations. I go out and I feel like my friends. I feel like everybody around me. I don't feel different anymore. So if a woman asks me, what would you do? Hands down, this is the hair to get.